I am delighted to congratulate the Gandhigram Rural Institute for its incredible success in attaining A++ in the National Assessment and Accreditation this year. As an active academic member involving in Sri Lankan quality assurance endeavors, I really appreciate this amazing accomplishment. In fact, quality assurance is the means by which our universities and higher education institutions can confidently guarantee the quality of educational provision and knowledge generation. As an emeritus professor of GRI, I am really proud to identify me with such great institution. Education for life and education through life. GRI marked its journey as a pioneer academic institution with this deeply rooted holistic perspective have evolved as a model university for rural development endeavors. At this moment of achievement, I wish to reiterate what I have underlined in one of my keynote address of an international conference of the GRI. I wish that this moment of achievement is really a blessing towards the transformation from deemed to be university to full-fledged the Gandhigram Rural University. காந்திகிராம பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் இந்த சாதனைக்காய் உழைத்த துணைவேந்தர், பீடாதிபதிகள், துறை தலைவர்கள், பேராசிரியர்கள், மாணவர்கள், ஏனைய கல்விசாரா அங்கத்தினர்கள் உட்பட்ட பல்கலைக்கழக சமூகத்தினர் அனைவரையும் பாராட்டுவோம். இந்த தருணத்தினை மேலும் அர்த்தமுள்ளதாக்கும் திசையில் ஒன்றிணைந்து செயல்படுவோம். வணக்கம்.